Yo. What's up? What's up? I'm not traveling now. I'm going to Thailand. I'm going to Bangkok at the end of the month. Not now. Good afternoon, Chao Su. Yeah. Do we cancel the limits? You can cancel first. If prices steps back, then we can see. If not, we can look at M15. Maybe we can look for possible buy continuation up. Maybe at the fair value gap level plus flip zone level here. Right. Nope, I'm not in any cells. I follow my zone. So if my zone don't hit, I don't take cells. I'm not overseas. Why everyone think I overseas? I'm in Singapore. I'm only traveling on the 31st. Thank you, Mano. 100 likes done. Solid. Make it 10k likes. Easy, man. Is 5-minute fair value gap useless? Honestly, it's not. It really depends on your trading plan and your trading strategy, right? I mean, I use all kinds of time frame. I mean, from M5, M15, H1, H4. It's depending on what you're trading. If you're trading counter trend pullback scalping, or if you're trading H4 high probability swing trades, then you use the different zone, right? So on Sunday I was back testing. I was trying all the different time frames. So I was like, okay, let's focus on, for example, if I'm counter trending, I want to look at H4, H1. If I'm following the trend, I can look at M15, H1. And of course, you need all your confluences in place, right? I don't know if you guys can hear my dog. It's very noisy, but hopefully you guys can hear me. Oh no, I'm not going to KL this week. 8th of June, I think. Oh, you guys are very attentive to everything I say. I would say overall we're still very bullish for gold. It could be a small retracement. I mean, what we learn from my dog eat a lot. What we learned from the previous bullish momentum right here, it's the same thing, right? There's always minor pullbacks and then a continuation. And this time we didn't have any, honestly we don't have any change of character on H4 yet. If you can see, H4 is very nice. It's just bullish, come down, retrace, go up. There's no valid change of character on H4. Right, so unless this level break, if this level break, then okay, then it's a bearish sentiment. So if 2405 breaks, then we do have a bearish change of character on H4, then I will switch over to sell bias. But for now it held pretty well. You can see this level actually tap 3 times and then continue pushing up. So if you guys caught buys using that from the analysis, congrats. So for now I will focus a little bit on sell here, but it could be risky, right? Because prices could continue grabbing liquidity here and drive all the way to new all-time highs. So this is considered a medium to high risk zone here, so you guys can follow if you guys want. If you guys think that it's risky from your own analysis, then stay away from it. Yeah, let's say but the thing about liquidity is market attracts liquidity, right? Because market need to fill orders before moving in the opposite direction. So if market wants to go up, it has to go down to collect liquidity to fill the buy orders, right? So seller stop loss has to be taken out before continuing up. You think it will still go to 2,400? Anything will happen, man. Anything can happen. Honestly, anything can happen. Anything can happen. So I mean, for today I'm not like really rushing, because yesterday we made amazing profits. We had like what, 3 TP3s in a row and like one TP2 trade. So today I'm just taking it slow. We only want to, you know, don't do all the risky trades. Yesterday was pretty risky, not gonna lie. I don't know if you guys caught yesterday trades, right? I believe I sent all the trades to both main as well as Prestige channel. Okay, liquidity. Yeah, so sorry. So I was like, I think my wisdom tooth got infected over the weekend, so I was feeling very unwell. So I didn't do the liquidity video. I think I will do it this week. Probably tomorrow. I mean, tomorrow is a public holiday for you guys also, so I'll probably do it either tonight or tomorrow. Caught buys from 2408 to 2434 yesterday, and you lost it all today. How come? How did you lost it all? Did you set stop loss to break even? because of yesterday huge win, you can throw paper. Don't do that. I know you're joking, but don't. What's the saying? I don't know what's the saying. I just know that every day is a normal day. Let's see. Today, do we have news? I don't think we have. Yeah, today, tomorrow, no news, which is good. And Thursday is PMI, Friday, consumer sentiment. Okay, this is a relatively low impact news week. Not much news. What's one advice you'll give your beginner self? Honestly, accept losses. Know how to accept losses. Really. If you can't accept losses, you will end up margin calling your account again and again. You wouldn't even have enough equity to tank for the recovery trade. You get what I mean? Right? So if you can't accept losses, or what you'll do is basically you'll just full margin your trade, constantly over leveraging until your account busts. Yeah, it's a flip zone. You can consider this as a minor flip zone as well as a consolidation. So why I believe that price will come here, right? I sent you guys the analysis, the monitor sell zone when price was here only, but I believe that price will actually tap into this area because this is where liquidity is at. You see there's a lot of consolidation here, right? So if it wants to drive down, it has to go up to take out, to fill the sell orders here, right? It has to take out early seller stop losses to fill the buy orders. I mean sell orders here to continue driving down. So if it wants to go down, it has to at least step into this level here. Yeah, so going back to the one advice, I feel that the best advice would really be being acceptable to losses. Because for me, I mean, I show you guys my trade history every single day, so I don't really care if I lose or win on the day, because every single day you guys can go and backtrack, right? You can see, actually, I think I started this account, I think almost about 5 weeks already. No, not even 5 weeks, one month. Let me see when did I start this account. If I'm not wrong, it's very recent. Let me see, when's my first time, when did I first started this account? Yeah, less than a month ago. I started this account, this 50k account, I think, on the 23rd of May. I mean the 23rd of April. So it's almost 1 month, but not yet 1 month. And we are up about, I think about 90%, almost 90% up on this account. Using proper risk management, I only risk about 3% per trade, 2.5 to 3% a trade. And I think in this 5 weeks, I think I have about 8 losses, but I'm still up 90%, right? So you have to learn how to be susceptible to losses and accept losses. Were you a person in real life that couldn't accept losses before? Definitely last time I couldn't end the day with a loss. So even if like I'm holding 100 pips drawdown, 200 pips drawdown, I wouldn't even close my trade because I believe that there will be a retracement, but sometimes there wouldn't be, right? So for me, for my own psychology wise, right, every trade I put in, I really think of it as a loss. So let's say if I know that this trade hit a loss, okay, 2.5%, it's okay, just 2.5%. I can make it back in the next trade. Yeah, at the start I risk about 5%, but it's okay. Oh no, at the start I risk about 3%. I enter every 10 pips. Now I enter every 5 pips. It's the same thing. Yeah, expect disappointment. It's the same thing in life, right? You expect disappointment, then when the disappointment comes, you will not be disappointed. Exactly. Like yesterday, we waited, and boom, easily 3 TP3 trades just like that. Tell you guys, I hate to end the week with a loss, especially on Friday. I wanted to sell again at 2405. I wanted to sell again, but I told myself that, it's okay, take the loss. Especially when prices looks it's about to approach uncharted territories. I just end the night. It's okay. I took I think 2.5k loss on Fridays. Monday is okay because it's not really particularly bad to trade, but Monday is because Saturday and Sunday news might happen. For example, there might be war escalation. So Monday would price in what happened on Saturday and Sunday. Friday is usually where people take profit, right? For swing traders, they will usually close before Fridays to prevent unexpected circumstances that could happen over the weekend. So they will usually close their trades or manipulate trades to take out people, or to manipulate trades to go to their TP, right? Institutions. So they will close the trades on Friday. So a lot of manipulations happens on Friday, right? So Friday, usually I don't really trade New York session, if you guys know me, because there's a lot of manipulation. So know how to take a loss. On Friday night I decided, okay, I'm taking a loss for the night. It's okay, I'm down 2.5k. Monday I came back, I made 6.5k. So it's okay, it's completely okay, right? Even if let's say I lose, let's say one trade every day and I don't make any profit. So let's say I lose 5 days in a row, right? Let's say I lose maybe 10 trades in a row. Okay, let's say I'm really very unlucky, I lose 10 trades in a row, so I'm only down 20%, and I'm still profitable, right? Let's say I'm down 25k. Overall, I'm still profitable. If I really lose 10 trades in a row, I'm down about 25, 30k. I'm still profitable. So it's very, yeah, so how do you guys move on, right? Is psychology is really 80% of trading. I mean, that is where it makes or breaks people, right? So a lot of people, they struggle with psychology till now. And it's something that you cannot get rid of. So don't think of getting rid of psychology. Think of accepting it, right? You have to accept that it will happen. Like I tell you guys before, right? We have 30 win streak, we have 36 win streaks before. Like really 36 wins in a row, 32 wins in a row, 28 wins in a row, 26 wins in a row. But when we have this kind of win streak, there will be like lose streaks, right? Maybe I can lose 3 times in a row, 4 times in a row. My max was 4 times in a row. And when I lose 4 times in a row, the next, I'm not worried because I know that there will be a next 20 win streak coming. What was it like in the first few months of trading? Honestly, I'm the kind of guy that is very impulsive. So when I first started trading, I didn't even watch any YouTube video. I just go in, and then whenever I feel like buying, I'll buy. Whenever I feel like selling, I'll sell. That was me at the start. And of course, maybe I had some beginner luck, managed to flip the account 2 times, 3 times. Then I thought that it was free money, you know. But obviously, it's not, right? I think on the same day, I flipped about 100 to like 400 and I bust it all. Losses are structured to build a better mindset. Yeah, don't be afraid of losses, like I always say, right? I'm happy to have losses because I know that certain things aren't working out, you know. Maybe my strategy isn't working out. My whole journey, 40k USD in 1 hour. Yeah, about there, 40 plus K. $40 plus K USD in 1 hour. That was how much I lost at the peak. During COVID, it pumped like, I think 1,000 pips within an hour. So I lost about 40k USD. You flipped 200 to 11k and busted all last week Friday, right? So you see, that's the thing, right? What is the biggest lesson you guys can learn, right? From the previous time everyone busts their account is during the previous pump here. Okay, let's be honest. Those of you guys watching, how many of you guys lost a lot of money during this bull run in April, from March to April? This crazy pump from 2,000 to 2,400. How much? Let's be honest, right? How many of you guys lost a lot of money or even margin call your account? Because for me, I think I lost about 5 digits as well, right? During this bull run here. So I'm pretty sure a lot of people lost a lot during this big pump as well. So what happened? When the same thing happened again, I did my mistake. Last time my mistake was, okay, let's say prices pump and then hit SL, I will counter lot, I will counter sell. But this time I didn't. When prices pump, I didn't counter sell. In fact, I switched and I look for buys instead, continuation buys instead. Right? So all your losses helps you to learn how to adapt to market conditions, right? Because you know, because during the previous pump, gold wasn't at this price point before, so I don't know how to trade, right? But what happened is, during this time, I knew my lesson that I failed from this point, so I used the lesson that I failed here to trade when prices was here again. And what happened? We had 4 TP3s in a row. For me, I always keep to my stop loss level unless I'm really confident that it could be a sweep or there could be manipulation in the area. I might remove my stop loss. $150 to 8k during April in 2 days, but back to square one now. So this is trading, right? You can have your ups and downs. You can have beginner luck. You can have a lot of lucky trades. Somehow people can flip $100 to 30k and they can lose 30k in the next week, right? So it's all about. That's why I always tell people, do not look at how do I put it? do not look at the near term, right? For me, I always look at 1 year. So when I place my trades, right, I don't really care if I lose 3 times today, if I lose 5 times this way, I lose 10 times this way. I don't really care. What I want to see is maybe after the entire year, when I look back at all my trades, all my signals that I give, how many wins, how many losses, what is the net profit that I made. Because in trading, there will be, and I can tell you guys, there will be good times and bad times. Even for me, right? Maybe these 3 months, these 2 months is really good, but there will come a time where I will start to have my losing streaks, right? It's completely normal. So I'm not really arrogant or happy when I have like 20 win streak, you know, because I know that when there's a win streak, there will be a lose streak. So this win streak will substitute for a lose streak, and your lose streak will substitute for a win streak. This is trading. It's all about probability, right? You're holding 0.02 from 2000. Wow, that's pretty crazy. You don't have swap fees for that. Yeah, it's entering this fair value gap. So, but I'm not really gonna trade all these small little zones. I'm more likely gonna wait for my higher probability zones to hit. Cause I don't see a point. Let's say I enter here, maybe claim 20 pips, come back all the way down. No point, right? Risking maybe 50 pips for 20 pips. Unless you guys are those like really tight stop loss, you enter maybe stop loss below the fair value gap, claim 20 pips, you guys are okay with it, then go for it. But my strategy is a lot about counter trending. I'm trying to catch the whole reversal. If go back 0911 can buy. Okay, the thing about why those of you guys in the prestige, I give you guys a zone to monitor, right, is about this level here. Why around this level and why not the same level as here is because, like I said before, when market move, it has to attract liquidity. So liquidity has been taken. That means buy orders has been filled here. Buy orders has been filled here. So think of it as a wall, right? So the more times prices step into break the wall, the more times the prices come into the level, the more orders being filled. That means the next time it comes down, there will not be enough buy order to hold. Same as what happened yesterday, right? This was a strong level that has been holding for quite a long time. What happened was prices tap, pump, tap, pump, tap, pump, and then what happened? Prices just dumped through the entire level, right? Think of it as liquidity, you know. There's a lot of orders here. Every time prices step, there will be lesser and lesser orders. So for me, usually when the level taps so many times, right, when it actually comes down, I'll just wait for the next zone to hit. Why not? Even if, let's say, really it taps here and fly all the way up, it's okay. I missed the trade, but at least I'd rather miss a trade than have a loss. You get what I mean? Where do you think the next buy will come? Looking at this level here, but looking at structure, let's say H1 structure, we do have a really nice retracement right now. So if I'm looking for sell, right, I will be waiting for 2406 to break. So maybe 2406 break, I might catch a counter trend buy at this fair value gap level here, retrace upwards to the flip zone, and then sell all the way down. So that is what happens if this level breaks, because right now it does shows that it's forming new lower high and lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So if this level breaks, this zone here breaks, then I'll look for sells. If not, I'll be continuing to look for buys, because overall on H4 is still a bullish momentum. So this is what I mean by being adaptable to the market, right? So I can send you guys the analysis, but when certain things break, certain zone change, sentiment shift, and things like that, just be adaptable to the market. Doesn't mean I tell you guys to monitor that zone, that means I'm going to sell at that zone, right? So don't go and set your limits, right? When I say monitor, that means really monitor. Doesn't mean I said monitor this zone, then you guys go and set your limits. Then when the zone just blasts through, you guys like, oh shit, why? So always monitor price action. And look at DXY. If you want to trade gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, you guys have to look at your DXY as well. So you can see that DXY is actually approaching this resistance. So it could go down a little more. That's why I'm not really looking for buys right now. I do think that DXY form a nice support here. It could be going higher, so gold could be going lower. So maybe a little more lower to grab liquidity. Yeah, put alert at the zone, don't put limit, because sometimes it can just blast through. That's why I put the word monitoring for a reason. Monitor the zone. So you guys can put alert, then okay, when it's in the zone, then you guys wait for my confirmation. But of course, don't wait for my signal, right? If you feel that, oh, you want to sell early, go ahead. Right, for example, right, I wanted to sell at 2423 here, basically the fair value gap. but prices almost stepped into the zone but didn't. But some people might go for the sell here because it falls in line with the analysis, right? Double top here, nice double top, rated liquidity here, minor flip zone here as well, right? Some people might go for sell here. I'm pretty sure there's many of you guys that went for sell around this level, right? Didn't sell in my zone. It's perfectly fine, right? That's trading. Everyone have their own analysis. Follow your analysis. My zone is just a confluence for yours, right? So don't really go and wait for me. Don't really have to wait for me. Look at the morning, right? This morning alone, I see so many people make hundreds of dollars, even thousands of dollars, just by their own analysis and using mine. Wow, Lucas. Your precious and ephemeral counterpart. How is your bodacious day going? Sorry, my English ain't at that level yet. Loving analysis so far. Yeah, it's on YouTube. This stream will be on YouTube. Simplified version, how they hanging? What do you mean, how they hanging? You like to trade and open YouTube live stream and listen to other trader. Yeah, there's a YouTube link here. I mean, if you guys are not inside our Telegram channel yet, which I assume most of you probably are, you guys can click the link in our TikTok bio or YouTube bio to join our free Telegram channel. Hope to have a profitable day. Yeah, I haven't entered any trade personally today. I'm just chilling after yesterday. Jay, you're down 900. Why? What happened? Oh, Danny, is that your tattoos? I love Japanese tattoos. 5 to 7 p.m. usually movement start. Yeah, just relax, relax. No point catch this 20-30 pips movement. Like I said, I think every day I have the same game plan. I just send my analysis. Basically, the analysis is my entire game plan for the day. So whatever trades I take will be for that day itself. I wanna do honestly, I like tattoos. So what secondary school? I definitely think we are from different sex school, bro. I don't think you know me. Yeah, I feel that tattoo is an art. So yeah. I very low key one. I don't think people know me. Okay, maybe some. So I'm very curious. What do you guys think I look like? Got people say I look like an. They think that I look like a nerd. Some people say that I look like a YP and things like that. It's so funny, but yeah. Of course, I'm Chinese. Do face review, don't want lah. Shy, I'm shy. What do I get for doing a face review? From Northeast. Northeast. You have accessory stores in Singapore. What do you mean accessory stores? What do you mean accessory stores? I don't have any store. Oh, you are from Northeast. Okay, how about you tell me what school you are from? Then I let you know if it's the same. Go is so boring. Come on, I need the volume. What's something I first got myself? Oh, I got a watch. I love watches, so... Oh, wait. No, it's not a watch. I got a... Wait, the first thing I got... I transferred my mom money. Then the second thing I got was... I got myself a MacBook. No, I'm not from Montfort. Yeah, I stay at Sengkang. So, yeah, I got myself a MacBook. That would be the first thing I got. Honestly, I don't really use it anyways. Then after that, I got myself a watch. And I'm into Japanese stuff, right? Like Oriental stuff. So I bought myself katana. Like for fun, just to display. Yeah, then nowadays I think I'm just saving up for watches, you know. I love watch. It's a good investment. But I don't really like show... I'm going to Japan next year. But I'm very busy, you know. You can watch those gurus online. They say that they travel every single day, right? They can travel every single day because they basically tell you guys to full margin every trade and farm your commission. They don't really care if you win or lose. But for me, I only travel like once or twice a year. Let's be honest. I only travel once or twice a year because most of my day is just sitting in front of the computer, really analyzing properly, and make sure that every single trade I send you guys are proper trades. Okay? So I don't really have time to travel and things like that. But I think I'll be traveling more often. But I try to put it on the weekends. My watch collection, I don't really want to share, you know. I don't like to, you know, flex or things like that. No, it's not Sengkang Secondary. I don't like to share this kind of things, but I have a few watches, you know. Just a few. For investment purposes, and I appreciate watches. I only buy assets, so... Do I trade oil? No, I don't. Let's see how this fair value gap holds. Can you invest in AP? For me, I'm a fan of AP. AP is my favorite watch, so I invest in AP a lot. What car do I drive? I don't drive any car because I feel that in Singapore there's no point. I'd rather take Grab everywhere because you see, if you drive a car, you have to pay like, I don't know, 100 plus K, and then after that you still have to park the car and things like that. I prefer Grab, you know. You don't have to park, you don't have to do anything. You have to wait for car park space. Honestly, no point. Even if I have $1 million, I don't think I'll get a car. You think I'll be trading? I mean, I enjoy trading. I treat it as a game, so I'll be trading. But of course, I love to start business. Maybe I'll do other businesses next time. Car or biker kind of guy if you had to choose. I feel that bike is very cool, but it's very dangerous. Stay by yourself? No, I stay with my family. Probably, I don't really... I mean, they're getting old, so I'm just staying here. I can take care of them, you know. But I buy apartment, I will rent out. You took buys from 16 to 18. Damn. What's the confluence though? Yeah, in Singapore I feel that Grab is better, no point. But let's say if I move to KL or if I move to Dubai or Thailand in the future, of course I will definitely get a car. Josephine Joe, what's up? My mom will allow me, honestly, no. Yeah, it's very dangerous. I have basically all the friends that I know that ride bikes basically got into accident before, so nah. I got too much to lose. I don't want to. I've made it this far in life. I'm not gonna risk it. Johnny, you have good apartments in KL. I feel that KL is a very nice city to live in. It's basically Singapore but cheaper. Yeah, enjoy the little things in life. That's why I always tell you guys in Prestige, right? Relax, enjoy the little things. We can't get too greedy sometimes. Yeah, public transport sucks, but you can get a car for way cheaper. What's my hobbies? Honestly, right now I don't have much hobbies, you know. Gym, I guess. Gym. I feel that gym, hitting the gym. Yeah, maybe I don't know. I feel like I'll be traveling to KL more often. I really want to see how is it like staying there. Can say when you're looking for entries. I'm still looking at sales at this level here. Same. Basically, whatever zone I send you guys, whatever analysis I send you guys, is basically what I'm looking at. So in between, I don't trade. Yeah, I used to do Muay Thai, but no time lah. No time now. Too much injury. Got that muscle build. Nah, I'm skinny. How much can I bench? I'm more of the aesthetic. I go for aesthetic, so I do a lot of cable flies. I don't really bench. You're making a move into Johor. Yeah, Singapore quite expensive. Went back to boxing. I don't know, man. Hopefully, when I have more time. You keep thinking you're talking to yourself, but you realize it's YouTube. Yeah, YouTube, nobody want to talk to me. Only TikTok. Ooh, looks like it bounced from this fair value gap pretty well. Yeah, she did exactly at the 50% level. Then it will be a 15-20 pips buy. I mean, I do boxing and Muay Thai. I don't do MMA because I feel that if I want to do something, I want to be the best at it. So let's say if I train boxing, I want to make sure I master boxing. But if I let's say I train Muay Thai, I want to master Muay Thai before moving to the rest. I don't like to like jump here and there. Yeah, nobody talking on YouTube. I don't know why. It's always on TikTok. People entertaining me on TikTok. Probably people on YouTube thinking that I'm talking to myself. Yeah, I'm a perfectionist. I must make sure everything is perfectly, you know. Yo, morning Luke. Do I play any games? Last time I do, now I don't. I feel that I get bored easily. Where can you get an ebook? It's in our Prestige channel. Right, so if you guys are new here, you guys can join our Telegram channel if you guys are wondering where I send all the analysis, right? Just click the link in our TikTok bio. But I'm pretty sure most of you guys here are like from our Telegram. So yeah. Let's see. Now no volume in the market. Wait for more volume, then we look for the next trade. Such a boring day. You send a message on Telegram. Okay, I'll get admin to respond. Cause right now we are chilling, you know, honestly. Not really looking for new intakes. Wait till next month. Wow, what is that? What's that gift? Why is it so cute? What the heck? Honestly, don't send me gift, man. Just save the money for yourself, bro. I don't need gift. Don't send all these kind of gifts. It's waste of money. Waste of money. If you want, just spend the likes, you know. Don't waste your money on TikTok gift. If you want, you can just spam the likes, honestly. Thank you for being honest and transparent about trading. Yeah, of course, right. That's why I said that there's no point where like the whole industry is just people. Literally, I don't want to name, but I don't want to name other like channels or other groups, you know, but you guys should know lah, right, that those people that ask you to full margin during news, ask you to, I don't know, spam 100 layers full margin every trade. These are not the real traders. Okay, I don't know your definition about the real traders, but the professional traders that I know will never full margin, never ever, and they will never ever trade news, right? And I just want to set myself apart to show you guys that I preach what I send and my strategy works. You know, like whatever zone that I send, I take it. When I say I close stops to minimize risk, I break even, I TP, I SL, I show you guys it's okay. I'm okay with showing my entire history for the entire month because I know that my strategy works, and I'm completely okay. Okay, honestly, for Callisto, right, I feel that they're one of the most legit out of all the channels. They're one of the most legit ones out there because it doesn't matter if you win big or you win small, right? But as long as you're transparent, you're showing proper like profits and things like that, right? You're good to go, honestly, right? Because I mean, out of so many people, how many channels will dare to show their trading history and the exact trades that they took, right? There's no point sending like an analysis or sending you a signal, right? There's no point sending a signal and then saying that, oh, everything hit TP3, I make 50k, right? But then they actually like full margin or whatever, I don't know. Wear mask. I asked Leon to wear mask. I asked Leon to wear mask. I don't really want to show my face, but okay, I'll wear mask. Who charges clients 2.5k? No, I don't trade Nasdaq or S&P. Just honestly, gold is enough for me to profit. Ooh, nice bounce for the fair value gap. But okay, based off transparency, I do believe that Callisto is transparent. He dares to show his trade, I guess. I'm not sure. I don't really follow, but I think they are pretty transparent. I don't know about their win rate. I don't know about what, but from what I see, their educational content is pretty good. Yeah, I know. I mean, I use Radex for people with 500 USD deposit and above. What am I waiting today? Basically whatever I send in the analysis, right? Right now we do look like we are making structural lows. We are having a minor downtrend. Maybe I'm looking for sells if prices steps into this level here, this whole liquidity pool here, and buys below here. Okay, our TikTok got banned again. It's okay, go to YouTube. You know, TikTok, what a loser. Stop banning me. But the only thing I don't like about YouTube is that the only thing I don't like about YouTube is that when you guys send something, right, I can only see like 20 seconds, 30 seconds later. Yeah, TikTok L, man, keep banning me. I don't know why, but they will only ban if people report. So maybe I said something I shouldn't, and then someone is not happy, then they report. Yeah, I gotta get the YouTube hyped. Subscribe if you haven't. Like if you haven't. What happened to the live? I don't know. My TikTok got banned. Every time I live on TikTok, I get banned. I don't know why. People report. See, every time when I try to say something to expose things, you know, then I get banned. Maybe it's their policy. When you started, who do you learn from? I honestly I didn't learn from anyone. I think just bits and pieces, a little bit from like everyone. See you in KL. Oh, sure. Why do you want to bring me around KL? Yeah, wherever I realize every single time when I start to talk about other people or like when I start to talk about other things, I always get banned or reported. Can I do meet and greet? What kind of meet and greet? Interesting. What kind of meet and greet? Like what, you guys come and say hi? It feels weird. It feels weird. It feels so weird. Oh, you have properties in KL. Oh, nice. It's probably consolidating right now. Maybe if really prices steps back into this level here, I might look for buys again. But we shall see. We shall see. Volume seems to be coming in right now. But yeah, I mean it will be a little bit risky, so I want to see if when prices steps back here, how prices react. Cause if it really breaks, it's gonna dump like mad. So we shall see. Ooh, but we could have caught another almost 100 pips straight though. Morning, the wood. Yeah, but market is a little bit boring. Maybe I will end the stream early. Then you guys can hop over to Telegram. We can continue chatting until we have a good POI for buys or sells. I mean today, I don't know about London, but it missed our sell POI by a little bit, but it's okay. You know, sometimes market won't give you what you've always want. Just gonna wait for the next zone, I guess. And now prices it's in the middle of my buy zone and the sell zone right now. So I'm just gonna wait for more volume. Right, just keep waiting. That's trading, you know, just be patient. Right? Be patient. Patience pays off. But honestly though, if any of you guys are in Bangkok on like 31st May to 4th June, you can let me know. Maybe we can hang out. Cause I'm going to Bangkok with Leon on 31st May to 4th June. Go party or some shit to relax. Why not hang out in SG? I don't like to hang out in Singapore. Euro USD. Let's see. Oh, it's been so long since I look at this pair. Oh, and it rejected our H4 flip zone plus Fibonacci golden zone perfectly, about 100 over pips. Pretty nice. I mean, we have a change of character here. We had a retracement. I think this will be a good level for sales if it comes back up. This flip zone plus flip golden retracement zone. probably gonna range. Okay, yeah. Anyways, okay, I think I'll end my life now. I want to go and cook some food I haven't eat yet, and then after that, hopefully maybe it comes back down here. Okay, you guys can pay attention. Okay, before I end, maybe if it comes back down here, I'll be monitoring for potential risky buys. All right, maybe around 2412 level or 2411 level. I might be re-entering for buy scalp. Okay, and then when prices retrace back up, I might be switching over to sell. So that is my game plan for now for scalping. Okay, so do know your risks when you're scalping. When you're scalping, usually go lower lots. Okay. Yeah, so for now I'll end my stream first. We'll monitor our sell zone, which is here, monitor our buy zone,